Hi friends, welcome. So sorry I was not there for some couple of days and all, then weekend and all. I'll be regular now onwards. Okay friends, every day 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time we are coming online to discuss you about the tutorials what you have uploaded already or going to upload also. All the we discuss it, and I will tell you can give me your feedbacks also, and what are the topics you want, or what are the programming areas or whatever the platform you want to work it. You can just suggest it. Tell your friends also to join, and every day 7:30 we come for 5 to 10 minutes max for a discussion on about the tutorials and all what you are adding it. So this is what is our plan today. I will just let you know about one important tutorial what we have added recently. So just yeah, so recently we have added one tutorial, and the video one will be uploading within 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, or sorry, 8 7 9 okay, around 8 p.m. or another after half an hour you can see one upload. So that will contain about data analysis using Colab. Earlier, if you remember, Stack Overflow data also we have checked it. So that data, Stack Overflow data, we have uploaded, downloaded it from Stack Overflow, then uploaded to Colab platform, and from there we have worked it by asking various questions on that. So that you have discussed it. One tutorial also we have uploaded, and one article is also there. You can watch that particular one. Let me just adjust. Okay, that you can watch it. Similarly, now we have gone with another data analysis tool where our sample student table we have used, and we have taken from three different sources, say CSV, SQL and SQLite. So three different sources, and simple English like questions you can ask it. In return it will give you the data whatever you want. Simple ask me, give me the details of the student who got the highest mark, list out the student of a particular class in the order of mark, anything. It's a simple English like you will be questions you will be asking. Hi, namaste Pratik. So you will be asking this questions, and you will get the answers on that one that way. And it also gives you the code. In fact, you can see in the video, I will be uploading it. You can see the video. In that I will tell you how you will get the outputs and all. So you need not have to write any code. It will create the code, and that code you can run it. In fact, these are all Python code it will generate, and pandas data frame, because it's a data analysis, so pandas data frame. And in fact, when you ask it to change the source and connect to SQLite, it will create the connection string, everything for you. You need not A to Z entire code, it will write for you. It's a good learning experience. First you want to learn pandas or how to connect to SQLite database, everything you can see it there. In fact, you can switch over to CSV file, comma separated value file, and work on it. So that is let me just show you something, some of the here are the queries. You can see this here as the list of queries. These URLs are there in the description. Display all student where ID are even numbers. So these are simple English like queries. You need not have to write any program for that. Just use this, select this. These are sample queries. You can use your own query also. So these are the display all student of class 4 in the order of mark from highest to lowest. You can do that. Here is also the link to the GitHub, and where you will get the detail. That's what we have seen it. Now if you click this, you will be coming here. Also it is there, this in this page where your sample database in SQL. Here at the top you can see here, Excel file, CSV file, sample data, everything is there. Now you once you click that link, here it is the link here at the bottom. Once you click that, here it is, you will be coming to this particular one. Then this is the GitHub page where the entire, there is no source code in fact, because source code will be AI will generate it. You can just execute this, download the particular type of file, then you can watch that. Here friends, earlier we have used this one, Stack Overflow data. Now we are using our own student data and creating this one. You watch that video, that I will be after half an hour I will be uploading it. Here is the Colab platform. These codes are all generated by the AI, or here the Gemini is there. Gemini, I can just write the code and get the output. That's what is the idea behind all this. So let's come back here, see this. Yeah, friend, that's the idea here. So you can watch this our video, whatever you upload it now, and see that is what the simple one which we have uploaded, because you need not have to write any single code. Simple, give your what you require. Who got the highest mark, who got the lowest mark, what is the average mark of the class and all. In a student of class 5, give me the average mark. Student of class 4, give me the highest mark. You can plainly interact in English and get the output. Video will be uploaded shortly, within a I think another half an hour I will upload it. So it is ready already. When you watch it and let me know what is in your mind. Is it going to replace your daily regular jobs? You need not think on that also. No, I am not in thinking that it will replace a regular programmer, but it will change the output or the change of level of programming what you are working. If you are a very basic programmer using codes to get the data and all, definitely people will be using AI to extract the create the code and all. So that is that. But you must upgrade with by using these AI tools to get a better output, higher productivity, higher outputs and all. You need to focus on that. That's a what about job and all, we'll discuss it later and all. Just watch this. I hope that will be useful to you. That's all, friends. Regularly at 7:30 we are coming online discussing about the programming tools. Now right now we are focusing more on the AI tools, what you can use it in your day-to-day life, be it a programmer or any other marketing profession, doctor, anybody can use this AI tools. Quite helpful, this AI tools, and we are discussing about all that. Function Python Kinter in better. How to understand the function Python Kinter in better are not clear to me, Pratik, what you are asking exactly. It is just Python Kinter is just one library only. It calls the function as it is the basics of Python only. Kinter is one of the library where you use it above the Python. So below that all the function calls, everything remains same. So that's what is being we define a function by using that. So you can use this. So diff is a definition to a function. It is not a Kinter specific, it's a Python specific. You can call function. Yes, to define a function we use def, def, to call a function. Sorry, to define a function. Inside that function we can write the code which you can reuse again and again by calling that function. I can show you about the function more if you want. I can, let me just open that one. Colab Python function you want. There are two types, some are built-in functions, some are user-defined functions. Here it is. If you want to know more about it, I am just giving you read this and you will get, there is a link at the user-defined functions. User-defined means what we can declare the functions, and built-in functions are already by default available to us as in Python. So we can just use it, call and use it. We need not define it again. Just read these links, you will get the good idea. Anything more, friends, you want me to discuss, or tomorrow anything, any idea, suggestion for our next discussion? You are always welcome to tell. this all the links what you have discussed is all available here, so you can hope you can all the links you can follow it. That's all, friends. Today we'll if no more questions are there today, we can close the session from here. Tomorrow I hope 7:30 again Indian Standard Time, evening hours, you can join, ask us questions, whatever the tutorials you are watching or reading our blog post also, you can raise your questions, ask us also what are the new things you want to study based on these areas: PHP, MySQL, SQLite database integration with web programming, PHP areas, all the areas, Python, any area, and Kinter. We have finished a lot of tutorials on Kinter and integrated with database and all. Now we have come out to our AI tools we are using. So Notebook LM, Chat GPT, Google AI Studio and all, we are frequently updating the tutorial. That's all, friends. Hope you will all join me for tomorrow also. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.